Today I'm going to make you sound more fluent. Yeah, we're going to practice contractions. Listen and then repeat after me. I'd, contraction of I would. I'd like some ice cream, please. She'll, contraction of she will. She'll be here any minute. They'll, contraction of they will. They'll never believe your story. They'll, there's no W sound. She's, contraction of she has. She's lots of work this week. She's lots of work this week. We've, contraction of we have. We've a long way before we get there. Good job, everyone. Follow me for more grammar, pronunciation, and vocabulary tips.